Looking for even more ways to make money online, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is online surveys. Companies need feedback from consumers to improve their products and services, and that's where you come in. As an online survey taker, you'll provide valuable insights by participating in surveys. Start by signing up on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Many survey takers earn $50 to $500 per month, depending on the number of surveys completed. To stand out, focus on providing thoughtful and detailed responses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Next is social media graphics. Every business needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per graphic, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is transcription. If you have good listening skills and a knack for typing, this skill is perfect for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert audio files into written text for clients like podcasters, researchers, and businesses. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $15 to $30 per hour for transcription services. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and timely work. You can find jobs on platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is copywriting. Every business needs compelling words to sell their products or services, and that's where you come in. As a copywriter, you'll craft persuasive content like ads, emails, and website copy that drives sales. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's audience and delivering results-driven content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by pitching directly to businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Finally, let's talk about digital products. If you're creative or knowledgeable in a specific area, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content. Many creators earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand for their products. To stand out, focus on creating high quality and engaging content. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to sell your products. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose online surveys, social media graphics, transcription, copywriting, or digital products, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.